Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to check spelling in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the data. So after selecting the data, here you can see the options of review. So just click on it, and then you can see spelling option. So just click on it. So after that, here you can see Monday spelling is incorrect. So if you want to correct it, so you can see here is suggestion options. This is the correct spelling. So if you want to change it, so just click on change. So if you want to ignore, so you can see ignore once option. So if you want to change, so just click on change, and you can see the spelling is changed and correct. So guys, in this way you can check spellings and correct these spellings. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.